Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2014 Suzuki GSX-R600. This sport bike has just a little over 2,400 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take a walk around it. I'll show you the few accessories that are on it and then we'll fire it up for you. This bike has been kept very clean and taken very good care of. Tires on it are still in great shape, got plenty of miles left on those. Bike still has an incredible shine to it as well too. Kept it nice and clean. So it comes with a tank pad. It also comes with tech spec knee grips and a fender eliminator. But otherwise, the rest of this bike is stock, just waiting to be customized. And you can tell by the back tire, good shape, got plenty of miles left on that. Just a nice clean 600. Alright, show you the miles now. 2,429 is what's on it. I'll set the camera down here. This GSX-R600 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.